Hello and welcome to CBTU and I am Sri. CBTU presents foundation course on Amazon Web Services, Cloud Infrastructure Services, Module, Compute, EC2, Launch a Linux, Virtual Machine. Just an overview, AWS offers wide range of on-demand cloud services under compute, storage, database, and networking. Services under AWS Infrastructure Services, Compute category. Amazon EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud for launching virtual servers in the cloud. So we're going for a live demo in a minute. Amazon EC2 virtual server hosting provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. Amazon EC2 reduces the time required to obtain and start a new server instances to minutes, allowing you to quickly scale capacity both up and down as your computing requirements change. Amazon EC2 changes the economies of computing by allowing you to pay only for the capacity that you actually use. Amazon EC2 provides developers the tools to build failure-resilient applications and isolate themselves from common failure scenarios. Sign up for a free AWS account and test drive most of the services free for 12 months. Free tier limits are normally high enough for good practice and learning before working on production workloads. Use only EC2 micro instances to stay within the free tier. Credit card is required to sign up for an AWS account. Don't worry, your account will not be charged unless your usage exceeds the free tier usage limits. Watch Create AWS Account module for more details. Let us take a demo on EC2 Launch a Linux Virtual Machine. Let us sign into AWS console. This is AWS Management Console. We can manage all the resources in any specific region. Currently, we are in the US West. Let us click EC2 under Compute to get into EC2 dashboard. This is EC2 dashboard. Here we can view, manage, delete all EC2 resources in a region. Currently we are in US West region. Here is the snapshot of all resources in current region that includes computing resources, volumes, key pairs, elastic IPs, etc. Selection of a region is important when you want to launch an instance. You can check service health in current region and availability zones in this region. You can further check the service health status of all zones. The green indicates the zone is healthy. To start using Amazon EC2, you want to launch a virtual server known as Amazon EC2 instance. This will be created in the current region. Let us click on Launch Instance. Step 1. Choose an AMI, Amazon Machine Image. This is a template of software where operating system, application server, and applications are pre-configured to launch an instance. You can select an AMI provided by the AWS, or user community, or the AWS marketplace. Be sure to use free tier eligible image. Let us select Amazon Linux AMI. So at any point of time, we can review our configuration and launch an instance. Step 2. Choose an instance type. There are various instance types, that is compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, to meet various specific requirements. The different instances differ in terms of CPU, memory, storage, and network performance. Let us select general purpose T2.micro. This is free tier eligible. Be sure to use free tier eligible instance not to incur any cost while practicing. Let us click on Next. This is step 3. Configure the instance to suit your requirements. Let us leave the values to default for now. You can launch multiple instances from the same EMI, request spot instances to take advantage of the lower pricing, assign access management role to the instance, and more. Let us go to Next. Storage. Our instance will be launched with the default storage device settings. Additional EBS volumes can be attached after launching the instance. Let us leave the values to default. Next, step 5, tag instance. This is to configure the tags key value pairs. Let us give a name demo Linux value to the name key. Next, this is to configure security group. Security group is a set of firewall rules that control the traffic in and out of our instance. Let us create a new security group demo-sg to permit SSH traffic from anywhere to our instance. Let's click on Review and Launch. This is the final step. Let us review all the parameters what you have configured before launching the instance. This is the EMI, Amazon Linux EMI, free tier eligible, the instance type is T2.micro, with the network performance low to moderate, the security group, demo-sg, instance details is the number of one instance we are creating, and storage, the default storage, tag, the demo-linux. Okay, so these are all the parameters we have configured and we are ready to launch. Let's click on Launch. Now we are asked to choose an existing key pair or create a new key pair. A key pair is used to log into our instance. Let us give a name demo-keypair1. Let us download the key pair. Let us save this key pair to safe location in our PC. We clicked on Launch Instances and our instance is being configured, ready to go in a couple of minutes. Let us click on View Instances. Our instance demo-linux with instance ID, instance type, created in availability zone is up and running, as the green here indicates the status. And it passed status checks that indicates the provisioning is complete. It has no alarms. This is the public DNS and the public IP with which we can connect to the instance. This is the key pair and the security group which we have specified while configuring this instance. We can connect to this instance using this public DNS or public IP. It's time to get connected. Our instance is launched and it's time to connect. We need a SSH client that you can use PuTTY. That's a free SSH client you can download from this page. We have PuTTY that's downloaded, and PuTTY, this is required for converting PEM file to PPK file, which PuTTY supports. This is the key pair which we have downloaded before launch of this instance. We need PuTTY to convert PEM file that we have downloaded. This is to convert our PEM file to PPK file. Let us click on Load, select the PPK file. So by default, this shows PPK files, but we need to select all files where we can see the PEM file. Just click on Open. It is imported. Now save the private key. So we can set a passphrase for this. Let us save by the same file name. Okay, so we are done, so we can close this. Now we launch the PuTTY. Now we launched PuTTY and we'll use SSH to connect to the instance. The default username is ec2-user. And let us use the public DNS. So the hostname format is like this. Then let us load the private key. This is the private key. Done. So we logged into our instance. Thanks for watching. Reach us for any questions. Please watch other modules based on the topic. Hope this course has been informative for you. Appreciate your valuable feedback. Thank you.